Hi, I am so excited for you to meet the Buckle Scrunchie and the Buckle Hair Tie. I've had this idea for the Buckle Scrunchie since I was 13 years old, and I finally invented it after I was so tired of constantly pulling hair ties out of my hair. Now it's literally just me and my mom making them by hand together. The Buckle Scrunchie comes in a lot of different colors, is thicker, and is made of fabric, while the buckle hair tie is thinner, more subtle, and is the elastic version. However, the way to use them is the same for both the buckle scrunchie and the buckle hair tie. First, you'll style your hair as you would with a traditional hair tie or scrunchie, and so start out with it closed, but be sure to hold on to the buckle. This is how it doesn't get tangled. You tie the buckle around last, so it's the first thing to come off. Next, this is optional, but if you want to tighten or adjust another loop around your hair, you can unbuckle to wrap another loop around and then rebuckle. And then last step, to take down your hair, you find the buckle, click to unbuckle, and feel it pop and unravel from your hair. It feels so good every single time. You can even connect the buckle scrunchies or buckle hair ties to make them the perfect size. And if your hair is really long or thick and you hate pulling it through loops like you would with a normal hair tie, you can start with a buckle hair tie or buckle scrunchie open, hold one hand, and then wrap it around until you tie the buckle back up. Unless stated otherwise, the buckle hair tie, so this one, is the one we use most for our samples and giveaways, and it has a stronger hold for sports, active exercise, and the buckle scrunchie, on the other hand, is better for all-day wear, light activities like walking or golf, and sleeping comfortably. Let me know how you use your buckle scrunchie or your hair tie by tagging us in social media, and share us with one friend who deserves the satisfying sensation of taking down your hair with no tangles.